Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in posture and a secure bow hold. This prevents tension and produces a reliable tone. Place the violin on your collarbone, relax your neck, and align your feet. Once done, form the three-finger bow grip and let your pinky curve. This gives control and flexibility. Start with open strings G, D, A, E, drawing long bows to hear even sound. Make sure to listen for steady contact and consistent speed. These first steps set everything that follows. Next, focus on left-hand placement and rhythm together. This is where coordination builds. Use finger tapes or a visual guide to place first, second, and third fingers precisely in first position. Once done, slow the tempo with a metronome and subdivide beats into halves or quarters to train timing. Practice twinkle variations, separating left hand fingering from bowing, then combine them slowly. Make sure to repeat short bars until comfortable. This systematic linking of fingers, rhythm, and bow transforms accuracy into musical fluency. To finish a piece, refine tone and shape musical lines by managing bow speed and pressure. This controls volume and timbre. Once phrasing is clear, map dynamics, where to swell and where to soften, and practice distributing the bow evenly across each phrase. Make sure to keep left-hand fingers relaxed to preserve intonation as you add expression. If something goes wrong, like a scratchy tone, reduce bow pressure and increase speed slightly. This simple fix usually clears the sound and lets your musical ideas come through.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.